LEEXIN LTK130T metal chip briquetting machine 350 kilograms per hour. End your iron scrap challenges. Unlock hidden profits with the LEEXIN iron chip briquetting press. Are you struggling with these issues? Messy workshop, hidden dangers, sharp iron chips scattered everywhere, taking up valuable space and posing serious safety risks to your employees. Lost value, shrinking profits, bulky loose iron. Scrap leads to high transportation costs and lower recycling prices due to oxidation and oil content. Inefficient operations, wasting time and effort. Traditional collection, cleaning, and transportation processes are cumbersome, consuming significant labor and time. It's time to change this for good. LEEXIN iron chip briquetting press, your expert in turning waste into gold right in your workshop. We understand that scattered iron chips aren't waste, they're resources in the wrong place. Our iron chip briquetting press is designed to solve your pain points, instantly transforming loose, low-value iron scrap into dense, high-value compact blocks. Why choose the LEEXIN iron chip briquetting press? Core advantages: directly boost your net profit, reduces volume by up to 90%, significantly saves storage space and drastically cuts transportation and warehousing costs, locks in value, commands higher prices. High-density, pure briquettes minimize oxidation, allowing you to secure better prices in the recycling market. Safe and eco-friendly, revitalize your workshop. Eliminates the risks of sharp chips and reduces coolant leakage, creating a clean, safe, modern workshop. Improves smelting efficiency. Compact briquettes are easier to charge into furnaces and melt more uniformly, boosting downstream production efficiency. Superior performance, built for stability and efficiency. Powerful high pressure, equipped with a high-strength hydraulic system ensuring solid, durable briquettes that won't fall apart. Stable operation, core components are built to last, designed to meet the demands of continuous workshop operation. Intelligent automation, one-touch operation reduces dependency on skilled labor, saving you time and effort while generating continuous value. Tangible benefits you can see: visible cleanliness. Say goodbye to a cluttered workshop. Neatly stacked briquettes make management effortless. Calculable savings. Drastically reduce logistics and storage costs while significantly increasing recycling revenue. Tangible safety. Completely eliminate the danger of sharp iron chips, creating a safer working environment for your team. With intelligent design, transforming waste into steady cash flow has never been simpler. Take action now. Investing in the LEEXIN iron chip briquetting press isn't just purchasing a machine, it's implementing a continuous profit growth solution for your business. About us: LEEXIN, a globally trusted leader in industrial briquetting solutions. Since 1993, we have specialized in metal recycling and processing, with our products serving customers worldwide. Our equipment is renowned for exceptional reliability, user-friendly operation, and outstanding cost-effectiveness, perfectly suited for small to medium-sized machining workshops. Ready to transform your scrap handling? Contact us now for a customized solution. Let us help you calculate the ROI. See how much the LEEXIN briquetting press can save you in costs and generate in extra profit annually. Like, follow, and comment iron scrap processing to receive a free case analysis and industry solution. Say goodbye to waste, embrace efficiency and profitability. Choose LEEXIN, choose expertise.